Today we will see how to replace your old battery with a new in your advanced Audi Key fob. It's very straightforward. There is no screw, so there is no screwdriver required. Just simply click on these two tabs, this one and here the other side. Press both of them together and pull your emergency key out, and then the same tabs you press it again and try to pull it. So battery required for this one is 2032, which I got from Sam's Club, but you can of course get it from anywhere. You can order it from Amazon or any retail store. You can get this 2032 and just get a new one for your key fob. I have this new battery here, put it in the tray, push it in again, make sure it makes that click sound, put your emergency key back in there, done. You can see a light coming on here, on and off, which means your battery is working. I see that blink. Let's lock, unlock. Okay, so your battery replacement is done. Let's go and see if this works on the car. So that's an Audi, and let me open and see if it works, the new battery. It doesn't. Okay, so what I found was this fab wasn't working. Not sure what is the reason behind it. The battery was new, but it didn't work. So what I did was I went inside. I opened the car with the second key, and I went inside and I put the fab into the slot here. Keep it in here, and then give it a try. Try to on the car, so that it starts now, which means the fab is ready to go. The battery was new, but it didn't work. Maybe the battery was not in there for a while, so it got reset or what, I'm not sure about it. But then I came here, I put it in the slot, and I tried to start the car. It started, and then that's how the fab started working. So I will off the car now and see if it locks the car. Let's do this. All right, it locked. Let's open it. Okay, the car is open now. Let's go outside and let's lock it. It's locked. So the installation is complete and it's working. So if you have this kind of issue like what I got, the best way I can suggest is go inside your car with another key and then put this into that the key slot which I showed you on your car, let it run for a while, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then off the engine, come outside and try your key again. It should work. So I'm unlocking it. It's unlocked. Now it's locked, so it's working. So that completes my installation of the new key. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like it, share it, and for more such video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.